Yo, 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 what's going on? Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Kind of windy outside, you know, about 55 degrees in the morning. Breeze kind of chilly, but you know, so still a workout same way. Yeah, them say health is wealth, you know, so I have to put in the workout. Yeah, so right about now we go do a little 2 miles in the morning, 2 mile run, you know, bust a little sweat and then we'll get some sorrel juice and them thing there. Some Jamaican breakfast, I see it. Yeah, so just stay tuned. So why you not work out? Run, man. Come like I worst morning we choose to come out here. Cause the weather cool right you know. Yeah, we'll start do the running so I can warm up the blood in the morning, you know? Yeah, man.
Thousand years later.
Alright, see fried dumpling there. Yeah, we'll drink some sorrel juice with that later. Yeah, see it there? Some brown stew goat, white rice and fried dumpling for breakfast. See it there? Yes guys, so if you've never tried brown stew goat before, you should definitely try it out. Check it out. Watch that. Flavor turn up, flavor the on point. And see the sorrel juice there. Yeah man, right from the backyard. See it? Yeah. See big chef over there say. Straight from Jamaica. Yes guys, so we just reached the meat market, Farm Fresh. Pick up some groceries. You know, get some Jamaican seasoning, because you know you have to have the Jamaican spice in your house, in your kitchen. Alright, so we'll get some seasoning, some herbs and spice, a little bit of meat maybe and some fish and everything there. 1 or 2 items. You know, so just stay tuned and continue watching. Yeah, so the fresh fruits them, yeah. You have some lime, mango then kind of green. Yeah, the banana. Yeah man, whole works. Yeah. Fresh is always best, you know. Yeah, man, so that's a fresh coconut, that's what it looks kind of dry too, right? Yeah, it's dry. Okay, alright, coconut milk.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get by.
Once you have the Maggi, you can't go wrong, all purpose. Yeah. That's a saltfish in there. Yeah. Yeah, the fish ain't kind of expensive right now. Because eat for the now you tilapia still, but you have the grouper, $8.99 a pound. Yeah, see the fresh fish.